and I'm about to explain exactly what accommodations your employer is legally required to provide under the Americans with Disabilities Act, and why most excuses for denying them don't hold up in court. The Americans with Disabilities Act applies to employers with 15 or more employees and requires them to provide reasonable accommodations to qualified employees with disabilities. But there's often confusion about what's actually reasonable. A reasonable accommodation is any change to the job application process, work environment, or the way duties are performed that enables a qualified individual with a disability to have equal employment opportunities. So let me break down 6 common examples that employers often resist providing. First, modified work schedules or flexible hours to accommodate medical appointments, symptom flare-ups, or treatment side effects. This could include adjusted start times, additional breaks, or part-time schedules. Second, physical modifications to your workspace, such as ergonomic equipment, screen readers, accessible restrooms, reserved parking, or lowered desks for wheelchair users. Third, policy modifications like allowing service animals in a no-pets workplace, permitting food or drink when normally prohibited for a person with diabetes, or providing additional breaks for medication. Fourth, remote work options when your essential job duties can be performed from home. Post-pandemic, this has become even harder for employees to claim as an undue hardship since many businesses operated remotely for months or even years. Fifth, reassignment to a vacant position if you can no longer perform your current role due to your disability. Employers must consider this option if no accommodations will enable you to perform your current job. And sixth, assistants such as readers, interpreters, or support persons that help you perform essential job functions. But here's the catch. Employers can deny accommodations if they cause undue hardship, meaning significant difficulty or expense based on the employer's size, resources, and structure. However, courts have set a high bar for proving undue hardship. Simply claiming it's inconvenient or costs money isn't going to be enough. If your accommodation request was denied without proper consideration, you may have legal recourse. Follow me for more disability rights content and visit my profile to learn more about me. Remember, there are strict deadlines for filing disability discrimination claims, so don't wait too long to seek advice.